Hey there, Amazon sellers. Welcome back to SellerMetrics YouTube channel, the place where we do deep dives into the world of Amazon. Today, I will show you a neat little hack to push your video onto the second slot of your product photo on your Amazon mobile listing. I'm Rick Wong, the founder of SellerMetrics, a full-service Amazon agency. Let's get started. Looking for the best Amazon selling information all in one place? Check out our seller repository where we have the best practices, SOPs, and hacks all in your fingertips in an easy to follow guide. It's perfect for the sellers looking to upgrade their knowledge and also to train their VAs. You can make a copy on the link below. I think video is the future of e-commerce. So the number one thing that I think all sellers should invest in is video. Having a good video for each of their products as well. I would also like to reiterate, good does not equate expensive. You could get a relatively cheap user-generated content from an influencer to create videos for you for under $200 or just a free product itself. Recording equipment is cheap and readily available, so there's really no excuse for not having a video on your Amazon product. For example, an iPhone, easily shot a customized product review for your product. Having some video is better than no video at all. I think nowadays shoppers value authenticity than anything really production produced. They want a realness. They want something that, only the user would really know. They want to buy from their own people. So don't be afraid to do something that seems amateurish, but has some deep authenticity to it. So that's my advice for videos. And don't take my word for it. Amazon has also been adding a lot of video ad slot on their search results and also product listing page. On your product listing page, not only there's video ads, but there's multiple slots for videos as well. So there is that video in the last slot of your product listing page. There's also the video in your A+ premium content. So this is basically Amazon way of telling you to add more videos. Knowing the importance of videos, I always look for ways to amplify my views, my video views, because I know that they convert better. And this is not a fly-by-night assessment, but by looking at the conversion rate of video ad campaigns versus keyword search-based campaigns, and I came to a realization that video marketing assets just converts better. Recently, I come across a hack that could potentially increase the view of your videos on Amazon by placing your video on the second slot of your product listing photos on your mobile, which I think is very cool because shoppers come into your listing, quickly sees your video pretty much immediately after they click into your listing. Instead, versus if you didn't do this, your video might be hidden in the last slot of your product listing photos or all the way down on your A+ content. Okay, before we do this, you make sure that you have to upload your photos first. Let's see how to do this. Let's go to Seller Central. First, you need to upload the video itself. If you have already done this, you can just skip this part. So to actually upload video, you'll go to Catalog, Upload and Manage Videos. You are going to upload your video, add a title, and you can add on the area below it, you can add one or more ASINs related to this video. So if you actually add these ASINs, it would go to these product listing page. Click Submit. Once that is fully done, your listing will have a video present on the last slot on the product display page. Now that the video is uploaded, the next part is to have your video into the second slot of your product photo in your listing. You will go into inventory and you simply just need to delete the photos in your product listing on your slot number 2 and number 7. Keep in mind that this would mean that you would lose 2 slots. You would probably have to prioritize which photos you want to potentially keep or delete off the product listing slots on your product listing, especially if you have filled out all your photo slots previously before deleting the second and 7th slot. Once that's done, it might take a full day for this to update. Your listing on mobile now has a video on the second slot versus in the last slot. All right, there you have it, how to push your videos into the second photo slot in your Amazon listing. And also, it would be great if your videos could highlight some of the unique selling points of your product, because videos can really give more of that emotional effect than photos can ever could. These things work together. It can really push your conversion rates up. Lastly, if you're a brand owner or seller that is looking for an Amazon marketplace problem solver, whether it is to perfect your listing, creating funnels, or improving your Amazon advertising, be sure to schedule a discovery call with me on the link below. And until next time, keep selling, keep hustling, and I'll catch you on the next video. This is Rick signing off.